Today, we're going to talk about how copyright infringement works and how will it protect these creators from getting their works copied illegally. What is copyright? Copyright is a sort of intellectual property that protects original works of authorship once they are fixed in a tangible form of representation. There are a lot of different types of works, such as paintings, photographs, illustrations, musical compositions, sound recordings, computer programs, books, blog posts, movies, architectural works, plays, and so much more. As a general matter, copyright infringement occurs when a copyrighted work is reproduced, distributed, performed, publicly displayed, or made into a derivative work without the permission of the copyright owner, where you can face results that can add up to legal actions once you violate one of them. In the Philippines, there is a law called Republic Act No. 8293, or known as the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines, where copyright is protected for the lifetime of the author, plus 50 years after the author's death.
What are the different types of copyright infringement? First, we have the direct copyright, which occurs when someone without permission copies, distributes, displays, or performs a copyrighted work. Second is the contributory copyright, which occurs when someone initiates, causes, or materially contributes to another person's or entity's infringing behavior. And the last type of copyright infringement is the vicarious copyright, which is a common law principle that makes employers liable for their employees' actions if they occur within the scope and nature of their employment. So in what ways can copyright infringement be avoided? First is to understand what copyright laws protect. Copyright laws are often confused with trademarks, patents, and licenses. Although these are all forms of intellectual property, copyrights are perhaps the easiest to obtain and also to violate, either intentionally or unintentionally. Second is to keep in mind that if it's not your original work, do not use it. The golden rule is to obtain the express permission from the owner, creator, or holder of the copyrighted material. And lastly, what you find on the internet is generally not fair game. Generally speaking, anything you see or read on the internet has been copyrighted by default, given that the materials such as blogs, literary or artistic works were created by someone else. And that's all you need to know about copyright infringement.
Created using Powtoon.